Namaste and hello everyone, and welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show, your trusted guide to exploring exciting career opportunities in India and around the world. And I'm your host, Kapil Gupta, and today we are going to talk about a career that's becoming increasingly important in a data driven world. A career where you get to be a detective of consumer behavior, a fortune teller for businesses, and a strategic advisor all rolled into one. Ever wondered who decides what products come to the market? Who tells companies what customers actually want? And who predicts the next big trend before it even happens? Well, today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of market research analysts. And if you're someone who loves analyzing data, understanding people's choices, solving business puzzles, and helping companies make crore rupee decisions, then this episode is especially made for you. So grab your chai or coffee, sit back, and let's explore everything about becoming a market research analyst, from education to salary, from India to abroad, and everything in between. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, career coach, life mentor, and founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 high school students break free from confusion, fear, and self doubt and step into global classrooms, powerful careers, and a life they love. Now, this isn't just about studying abroad, it's about building clarity, confidence, and character. And I do it with coaching, mindset work, and the game changing power of graphotherapy. Because students deserve more than just guidance, they deserve transformation. So let's start with the most important question. What's the scope and future of market research analysts in India and internationally? So, friends, the market research industry in India is booming like never before. With the rise of e commerce, digital marketing, startups, and consumer brands, companies are desperate to understand the Indian consumer. India's market research industry is valued at over 2,000 crore rupees and is growing at approximately 12 to 15% annually. Now, this growth is being driven by e-commerce giants like Amazon, Flipkart, and Meesho who need constant consumer insights. FMCG companies like HUL, ITC, Dabur, and Patanjali researching rural and urban markets. Then tech startups and fintech, edtech, and health tech sectors. Then automobile companies understanding buyer preferences. Then pharmaceutical companies conducting clinical research and market studies. Media and entertainment platforms like Netflix, Hotstar, and Spotify. Major cities like Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Bengaluru, Pune, Hyderabad, and Chennai have become major hubs for market research firms. Companies like Nielsen, Cantor, IMRB International, Ipsos, and GFK have large operations in India. Internationally, the scope is even more massive. The global market research industry is worth over 75 billion US dollars. Countries with excellent opportunities include United States, which is home to the largest market research industry with companies in New York, Chicago, San Francisco. In UK, London is a major European hub for market research. Then Canada, with the growing demand in Toronto and Vancouver. Then let's talk about Australia with a strong market research sector in Sydney and Melbourne. Then Singapore is not far away, gateway to the Asian markets. Then UAE, where Dubai is emerging as a Middle Eastern research hub, and Germany and France, leading European markets for research analysts. And the best part, market research analyst skills are transferable across countries, and many Indian professionals are successfully working abroad with competitive salaries and growth opportunities. With artificial intelligence, big data, and digital transformation, the future of market research is incredibly bright both in India and globally. And now let's understand what exactly does a market research analyst do on a daily basis. So let's understand the core responsibilities first. A market research analyst is essentially a business detective. Your main job is to gather, analyze, and interpret data about consumers, competitors, and market trends to help companies make informed decisions. So, their day to day activities include 1. Designing research studies, that is, creating surveys, questionnaires, and research methodologies to collect data. The number 2, data collection, that is, gathering information through online surveys, focus groups, interviews, and social media monitoring. The number 3, statistical analysis, using tools like SPSS, Excel, Tableau, and R to analyze large data sets and find patterns. The number 4, consumer behavior study, understanding why people buy certain products, what influences their decisions, and predicting future trends. The number 5, competitor analysis, that is, researching what competing companies are doing in the market. Then, of course, number 6, report preparation, that is, creating detailed presentation and reports with insights, charts, and recommendations. And then comes number 7, that is, client meetings, that is, presenting findings to marketing teams, senior management, or external clients. And then, last but not the least, forecasting, that is, predicting market trends, sales projections, and consumer demand. Now, most market research analysts work in comfortable office settings or remotely. Now, the work culture is typically professional and collaborative. So, you might work for market research agencies like Nelson and Cantor, corporate marketing departments and in house research teams, or consulting firms like McKinsey, BCG, Deloitte, or startups and tech companies, or even government organizations, or as a freelance consultant. Now, let's talk about the work life balance. So, generally, this career offers good work life balance, though deadlines for major projects might require some extra hours. Many companies now offer flexible working and work from home options too. Now, the job involves a mix of independent analysis work and team collaboration, perfect for those who enjoy both. And now, let's talk about what you need to become a successful market research analyst. For entry level positions, bachelor's degree is enough. So BBA, BCom, BA in economics, BSc in statistics, or any business related degree. And some companies also hire graduates from BTech backgrounds, especially for data heavy roles. And if you want better opportunities, so master's degree would be needed. So MBA in marketing, MSc in statistics, MA in economics, or specialized masters in market research. The professional certifications can include IIMC Market Research Certification, or MRSI, that is Market Research Society of India certifications, then Google Analytics certification, or Professional Researcher certification by Insights Association. And essential skills are analytical skills, strong ability to interpret data and identify patterns, then statistical knowledge, that is understanding of statistical methods, probability, and data analysis techniques. And if we talk about the technical skills, Excel, an advanced level with pivot tables, VLOOKUP and macros, or SPSS, SAS, or R for statistical analysis, Tableau, Power BI for data visualization, and SQL for database management, and basic Python knowledge is increasingly valuable. Then communication skills are a must because we need to have ability to explain complex data insights in simple language. Then research methodology, that is understanding of qualitative and quantitative research methods. Then attention to detail, that is, accuracy is crucial when working with data. Then critical thinking ability is a must because it is the ability to question assumptions and draw logical conclusions. Then, of course, business acumen, understanding of marketing, consumer behavior, and business strategy. And curiosity is an icing on the cake, a genuine interest in understanding why people behave the way they do. And of course, the presentation skills, creating compelling PowerPoint presentation and reports. If you talk about the best universities in India, Indian Institute of Management, IIMs, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Calcutta, Lucknow, or XLRI Jamshedpur, excellent market programs are offered by it. Then SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, Mumbai, then Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Pune, or Faculty of Management Studies, Delhi, even the Nursi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai, Indian School of Business, ISB, Hyderabad, Christ University, Bengaluru, Loyola Institute of Business Administration, Chennai, and Institute of Management Technology, IMT, Ghaziabad. For statistics and economic specializations, Delhi School of Economics, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, and Madras School of Economics are supposed to be the best. And when we talk about the best universities abroad, if we go to United States, University of Michigan, Northwestern University, that is the Kellogg School, New York University, University of Texas at Austin, or University of Georgia. If we talk about UK, LSE, that is London School of Economics, University of Manchester, University of Edinburgh, or King's College London. If we talk about Australia, University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, and Monash University are supposed to be the best. And if we talk about in general, Europe, ESADE, ESADE Business School, Spain, Rotterdam School of Management, Netherlands. And remember, while a good university helps, practical skills and certifications matter just as much in this field. And now for the question everyone's waiting for. How much can you earn as a market research analyst? Now, let's talk about the salaries in India first. For an entry level, that is 0 to 2 years of experience, average salary can be 3.5 to 6 lakhs per annum. But in top companies, it can go up to 4.5 to 8 lakhs per annum. And for senior levels, the average salary can be 15 to 25 lakhs per annum. And for senior manager, associate director, it can be from 20 to 35 lakhs per annum. Top paying companies in India are McKinsey, BCG, Bain, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Nelson, Cantor, Ipsos, Flipkart, Zomato. And if we talk about salaries around the world, in United States, from entry level to top tech companies, it can go from $50,000 to $150,000. And in UK, 25,000 pounds to 85,000 pounds. In Australia, it can go from 60,000 Australian dollars to 160,000 Australian dollars. And if we talk about Singapore, and from entry level to senior level, it can go to 45,000 Singapore dollars to 140,000 Singapore dollars. Many market research analysts also earn extra income through freelance consulting projects, teaching and training workshops, writing industry reports and articles, part-time advisory roles. So the salary growth trajectory in this field is quite impressive, especially if you develop expertise in emerging areas like AI-driven analytics, social media research, or customer experience research. Friends, as we wrap up today's episode, let's recap why market research analyst is such a promising career choice in 2025. The key takeaways can be growing demand, diverse industries, good compensation, intellectual satisfaction, global opportunities, and it's future proof, and of course, a good work life balance. So, if you're someone who is curious, enjoys working with data, loves understanding why people make certain choices, and wants to have a real impact on business decisions, then market research analyst could be your perfect career match. Start building your skills today. Take online courses in data analysis and statistics. Learn tools like Excel, SPSS, and Tableau. Read industry reports and case studies. Consider internships with market research firms. Stay updated with consumer trends and business news. Remember, every big business decision starts with good research, and as a market research analyst, you'll be the person providing those crucial insights. So, friends, that's all for today's episode for the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And I hope this detailed guide has given you a clear picture of the market research analyst career path. And if you found this episode helpful, please share with your friends who are exploring career options. Subscribe to our podcast for more career guidance. And don't forget to follow us on social media for daily career tips and updates. Got questions about becoming a market research analyst? Drop them in the comments or send them to us. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. So this is Kapil Gupta signing off. Namaste and all the best for your career journey.